So yeah, so we will be dealing with Kubernetes Secret, and as we discussed that there are two ways to create secrets, multiple ways to create secrets, and we will discuss two ways. First is by text files, and second is from YAML file. So in order to create secret from text files such as username and password, we first need to store them in text and use them in the command. Okay, so I have already created a secret. Yeah, here. Okay. So it is a plain text right now. So because it's just a demo, so yeah. Okay. So here we have a kubectl create secret generic tomcat password. So from file username and from file password this. Okay. So tomcat password is created. Okay. And then we create secret from a YAML file. Okay. Secret demo.yaml. Okay. So again we go here. Wait a moment. YAML formatting. So it must be encoded in base 64. Okay. So I have to convert. I see some online site to convert base 64 online. Okay, so it will encode so it is not in this format, that's why I'm not seeing it. Okay, so let's do it directly. I'll do it that later. Okay, so for example, I'll do it like this. No, let's see it how I can. Okay, so here we got base 64 encoded username and password. Okay, so now I create kubectl and secret demo. Okay, kubectl create okay. Secret demo. So this is created. Okay, tomcat pass is created. Okay. So once we have created secret, it can be consumed in pod or application controller as environment variable or volume. Okay, so in order to use secret as environment variable, we will use env under the spec section of pod.yaml. pod YAML file. Okay, so this is an env and secret username. Okay, this env must be under the spec section of a pod YAML file. For example, it is mentioned not here, it is mentioned as a volume. For example, it is mentioned here, see, it is a spec section and it is env this. Okay, so as we mentioned that there are two ways to consume secret, either by environment variable or via volume. Okay, it is also mentioned in the spec, so it is not a complete YAML file, however it's a part of that YAML file. So spec, volumes, then specify name and secret, then secret name tomcat pass. So this must be already created. Okay, and let's do this example. Secret config RC, secret config RC replication controller demo.yaml. Okay, we have the same problem. So first I format it. After formatting it, we have to adjust values also. Okay, because many things got changed, it seems like. Tomcat secret. Here I specify Tomcat 6.0. Okay. Tomcat pass is created. Will it work? Tomcat pass. Let's see it. Environment name, secret username. Well, name is not too important, but here we have to be careful. Name and key, secret key ref, config key, but we are dealing with this. It may not work actually, because we specified as secret. So then again I format it because Tomcat pass is available here. Yes, Tomcat pass is available here. Okay, so I just want to make sure that my formatting is correct. Please check formatting. Yes, almost correct. So okay, so let's begin. Kubectl create minus f secret config demo rcml. Let's see what happened. It is created. Okay, this is created. Okay, okay, now we see kubectl describe rc app name. Okay, now we have got this pod name. We have got 3 replicas. So is it mentioned there? Yes, 3 replicas. Does it have Tomcat 6.0? Yeah, Tomcat 6.0 it also have. And how about Tomcat pass? Set to the key Tomcat pass in secret my secret. Okay, it is not optional. Okay, successful create. Okay, so now this status of this application controller is quite good, like it is successful create. Okay, and let's try see it again. Do you see any problem? No. Get RCIC like get application controller. Okay, so we are done with our task now. Okay, so today we did many examples. Okay, so it's a volume. Okay, we can also do this example, secret as volume. Okay, let's do this example, secret as volume.yaml. Okay, here we copied it, we formatted. Let's format this thing. Okay, okay, so I delete it because now I'm not using it, so it's better to delete it. Okay, now I create another secret as volume, secret as volume.yaml. It is created, and kubectl get pod app name, status is running, then we describe it. Okay, here Tomcat pass. Okay, so yeah, this thing is and app name is also mentioned somewhere. Yes, app name is also mentioned. Secret Tomcat pass is already mentioned, I've seen it. The Tomcat pass. Okay, yeah, so what message we got? Successfully assigned default app name to minikube container Tomcat 8.0 already present in the machine. Yes, it is Tomcat 8.0. So this image we are using. Okay, created container a web server Do we have a web server? Yes, we have started container a web server. So this is working quite fine. This pod is running fine, and container inside it also fine. So yeah, so we are done with our tutorial on introduction to Kubernetes today, and now we have got a task. So please have a look at it. In next video, we will be doing this task, and to do this task, there are some prerequisite that you must have some knowledge of Java, Spring Boot, and Postgres. And apart from it, we will be dockerizing those services, and then we will push those services to Docker Hub, and then we will use Kubernetes. So for Kubernetes, we'll use config map for external configuration. We'll certainly use secret, because secrets are very important, okay, for especially for credentials, API key, and we will deploy 2 microservices on Kubernetes. And for internal communication, we will use cluster IP, and for external communication, we'll use load balancer. Okay, so this example will certainly prepare us more for Kubernetes at least. And today, whatever we did will certainly give us good introduction to Kubernetes. This is just a beginning tutorial of Kubernetes. I mean that after completing this tutorial and this task, you will be quite comfortable to claim that you have at least a beginner to intermediate level of knowledge in Kubernetes. Okay, and yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and in case you like this video, then please subscribe my channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Yeah, that's all I want to say.